how SWOT reads meteorological station. Meteorological, first let us know what are the meteorological data. Meteorological data are temperature, precipitation, solar radiation, wind, humidity. In different parts of the country, meteorological stations are established, which records temperature, precipitation, sunshine hour, wind speed, humidity. There may be a station which records all of these or some of them. Now we need to know how SWOT reads the data from the meteorological station. Let us consider one outlet, and this is the catchment, further divided into subbasins, and this represents the centroid of subbasins. Green represents the meteorological station. Let us consider this subbasin. Now SWOT will calculate the distance from centroid of subbasin to all the meteorological station and find the least distance, and the nearest will be assigned to this subbasin. In this case, this is nearest, so all the data of this meteorological station will be assigned to this subbasin. If you consider this subbasin, then this meteorological station's data will be assigned to this subbasin because it is the nearest meteorological station from the centroid. Now let's see GIS. Consider one subbasin and the meteorological station around it. So you can see here, are the meteorological stations, these dotted points, and these are the subbasins of catchment. Now if you consider of this subbasin, then the centroid will be somewhere here, and this meteorological station's data will be assigned to this subbasin. But you can see there are many subbasins which have no meteorological station, so distance is calculated and the least distance will be assigned to them. Thank you for watching. Comment for any further question.